In this video, you will learn how to watch live TV on Xfinity Stream. First of all, open a browser and go to xfinity.com/stream, or open the Xfinity Stream app. Then, sign in with your Xfinity ID and password. On the top menu, click Live TV. Next, click All Channels or choose a category: news, sports, entertainment, etc. Click the channel name or logo you want to watch, and it will start playing. Make sure you're connected to your home. Xfinity Wi-Fi for the full channel lineup. Away from home, you'll see fewer channels. Allow location permissions if prompted. Use the Guide or Search tab to find channels faster. And note that live TV won't play if your subscription doesn't include that channel, even though it appears in the list. You can also pause and rewind live TV, usually up to 60 minutes, use filters to hide channels you don't get, switch to full screen for better playback, sign out and back in if live TV won't load, and remember that some networks block live streaming on browsers and only work in the app.